This liquid fertilizer is a fantastic addition to garlic and onions. It's packed with essential nutrients like potassium, calcium, and magnesium, which help improve the size and quality of your bulbs. By adjusting soil pH, it creates a more favorable environment for these plants to thrive. Additionally, it can act as a natural pest deterrent, protecting your garden from unwanted visitors. With regular use, you'll notice healthier, more robust plants and a more bountiful harvest. For this gardening project, we'll be using wood ash liquid fertilizer. There is a complete video on making this recipe. To use the liquid wood ash fertilizer, start by applying it around the base of your garlic and onion plants. This helps ensure that the nutrients are absorbed directly by the roots where they can do the most good. Apply it every few weeks during the growing season to give your plants a steady supply of the nutrients they need. Be sure to use it sparingly, as too much can lead to overly alkaline soil, which can be detrimental to plant health. When applying the fertilizer, it's a good idea to do so in the morning or evening when temperatures are cooler. This allows the fertilizer to soak into the soil more effectively. If your soil is already quite alkaline, you might want to test its pH before using the fertilizer to ensure you're not overdoing it. A balanced approach is key to maintaining healthy soil and plants. Remember that while this liquid fertilizer is excellent for providing essential nutrients, it doesn't contain nitrogen. If your garlic and onions show signs of nitrogen deficiency, such as yellowing leaves, consider supplementing with a nitrogen-rich fertilizer, like using of weed tea or compost tea. Check the description for these videos too. This combined approach will ensure your plants receive a well-rounded supply of nutrients. Using this fertilizer as part of your regular gardening routine can lead to impressive results. You'll likely see stronger, more resilient plants and a better yield at harvest time. The effort you put into making and applying this natural fertilizer will be well worth it when you see the health and productivity of your garlic and onions improve. Every time we harvest tomatoes from our garden, we usually categorize them into 3 types. The first type is the tomatoes we store for future use. The second type is the tomatoes we use immediately because they cannot be stored. The third type consists of tomatoes that have gone bad. These spoiled tomatoes might be overripe or affected by pests. Instead of discarding these bad tomatoes, we've decided to create a special liquid fertilizer from them to nourish our tomato plants. To make this fertilizer, we begin by removing any pest-infected or diseased parts from the bad tomatoes. Next, we blend them with a glass of water to create a smooth tomato juice. We then pour 1 liter of this juice into a larger container and dilute it with 10 liters of water. To enhance the fertilizer's strength, we add 10 liters of compost tea. Compost tea is a nutrient-rich solution made by steeping compost in water, providing essential nutrients for plants. After combining the tomato juice and compost tea, we mix everything thoroughly. The fertilizer can be used immediately, but allowing it to sit for 24 hours improves its quality as the nutrients have more time to integrate. We use this special liquid fertilizer to feed our tomato plants and seedlings. This homemade fertilizer offers several benefits. First, it recycles waste by transforming bad tomatoes into something valuable, reducing waste and promoting sustainable gardening. Second, the fertilizer is rich in nutrients. Tomatoes contain various vitamins and minerals, and when these break down in the juice and mixed with compost tea, they create a nutrient-packed solution ideal for tomato plants. The compost tea adds additional nutrients and beneficial microorganisms that enhance soil health and plant growth. Applying this fertilizer helps our tomato plants grow stronger and healthier. The nutrients in the fertilizer support better root development, increase the plant's resistance to diseases, and can even improve fruit production. Additionally, because this fertilizer is made from natural ingredients, it is eco-friendly and safe for the environment. It contains no harmful chemicals that could harm the soil or water supply. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and share it with your friends. Thank you so much,